What's up? Today I'm going to be producing a beat. I started producing it before I started recording, and I thought, you know what, I should probably record this. So, yeah. I'm going to just delete all of this right now, and we're going to redo it, basically. So, first I'm going to lay down this. I just kind of named them randomly. I named this one This is because the melody I made reminded me of a video that I saw of this, like, Arabic ringtone on a Nokia phone. So let's listen to that. Okay, that sounds good. Let's lay that down a couple more times. And I named this one the Thriller melody. I don't know why, it just kind of reminded me of Thriller. I'll lay that down a bunch. And with that, let's just lay down the 404 World melody. Let's listen to it with that. Now I'm going to lay down this. This is kind of like a little backing. You can barely hear it. Down. I don't know if I'm going to use this actually, but I made an 808 and we're going to lay that down here. Let's listen to what it sounds like with the 808. I really like that 808. We're going to place that down more. Sounds fire. So we're going to add our drum lead up and let's listen to it with that. We'll lay that down more. And right at the end, we're going to just have this all cut out. Wait, oops. No, come on. Can I do that? I guess I can. Let's listen. That's fire. Fire. Now we're going to add the main drum. I'm going to name that main drums. Let's drag that over here. Drag that out. I'm using my sound for the 808, by the way. The link to the free drum kit is down in the description. Let's listen to it. We'll just keep on laying those down. I never do it for the whole thing, like, fully. You'd think you do that, but it's too fast, usually, most of the time, so. Like that, so now, let's actually try it with this one, let's see what that sounds like. With the Fuego hat. And this is all stuff I made. I made all these melodies. And I made all the sounds for the drums except the 808. But I'll see if I put my 808 in there if it'll sound good. So let's listen to some kicks. I'm gonna go actually right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a kick. I like this basketball kick. Just quickly take a drum from another kick. Shh. Let's see. Yeah. Oops, it's fine. like that. Now we're going to add a snare. I'm going to try to use a snare from my kit. You know, it's fine if you use multiple kits, by the way. You can always just experiment with which are your favorite sounds. Just use this one. Clap, like this clap. Yeah, that's cool. Turn this up in the mix. Clip, and I'm gonna just quickly borrow from another kit. I want to get a little drum roll, well, like a little, I forgot what it's called. Yeah, roll snare. So I'm gonna use this. Go back to here. Put it right here. I like that. Let's see what it sounds like with the Zoosh melody. I might turn that down a little bit, see what that sounds like. Okay, now let's listen to it. Okay. With the beat as it's playing. Oops. Let's see. Let's see. Paste that down. Paste a bunch down. Drag those in, place one down there. Get the pattern 1, aka the 808, and let's place those in. Drum lead up. Okay. That's sounding good. This is all sounding good. I made all this melody myself. Like, no loops at all. Like, I made them in Logic, and I might show you later. And, yeah, wait, I accidentally, hold up, place down the main drums, make sure that's important, gotta place down those, and, yeah, I like the Zwoosh, so I'm gonna place down more of those are sounding cool. So let's listen to the full thing now. Okay. Throw a melody. And drum lead up. No. The 808, and we're going to place down those. There we go. Main drums. Those are going to come back in. Yeah. And the swoosh. Okay. So let's place down all of those. And oops. Make sure stretch isn't on. That goes. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to go into Logic and show you how I made each one of those melodies. So I'm going to call this Nokia. Save that up. And let's quit out of this. And let's go to Logic. Now we're in Logic, and we're in the area. So let's listen to this one. I use the preset Retro Pluck. Yeah, you can use that. I liked it. And then here's what it sounds like with no effects that I added. I didn't like it, so I added a Space Designer, and I used the preset Hard Studio to make it sound like it was recorded in a room. And that sounded too high quality, so I went into Direction Mixer and put down the space to 0, so it's mono, it's not stereo, which I think sounds good. And then to make up for it not being stereo, we have the breathless oboe. Let's listen to that. It's kind of a creepy melody. Add a spreader to that, just kept it on the preset that it was like. And then we have the digital errors, which sounds like this. And those just add a little bit when they're put together. I like that. And now we're going to listen to this, and this is called Los Angeles 2019, and this is what it sounded like. These are all the same thing, but they all have very different sounds. And I exported those, put those into FL Studio, and just made the beat. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe. I'm tired. And yeah, like for more tutorials and more beat making in general.